Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a rainbow flashlight. This easy guide will help you transform a regular light into a colorful spectacle. First, gather your essential materials: a small LED flashlight, a variety of colored cellophane sheets, and a few rubber bands. You will also need a pair of sharp scissors and a ruler to ensure accurate measurements. Make sure your flashlight has a clear, unobstructed lens for the best results. Now, let's prepare your color filters. Take your colored cellophane sheets and carefully cut out 6 to 8 small squares. For optimal coverage and vibrant colors, each square should measure approximately 2 inches by 2 inches. Aim to include a full spectrum of colors, such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. These individual color squares will be the building blocks of your beautiful rainbow effect. With your color squares ready, it's time to assemble your rainbow. Carefully layer each cellophane square directly over the flashlight's lens. To achieve a natural rainbow effect, arrange the colors in their traditional order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. Once all your colors are perfectly aligned, secure the entire stack of cellophane layers firmly in place using 1 or 2 rubber bands around the flashlight head. Congratulations, your rainbow flashlight is complete. Now, turn on your flashlight and marvel at the vibrant, colorful light it projects. If you find the colors aren't as distinct as you'd like, simply adjust the layering of your cellophane squares until you achieve the desired effect. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations or even add more layers to create unique and personalized light shows. Enjoy your new, dazzling creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.